Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 7 Physiology and Injuries in Sports Part 4 Classification of Sports Injuries. Soft tissue injuries. First one is contusion, second strain, third sprain, fourth abrasion, fifth laceration. First one is contusion. Contusion is a muscle injury, a blow anywhere on the surface of the body causing bleeding from ruptured small capillaries below the skin while the outer skin remains unbroken. The part becomes blue-black in color, such as occurs kabaddi, wrestling, boxing, etc. Prevention. First one is warm-up is very essential before practice and competition. Second, stretching exercise should be included in warm-up. Third, players should be careful and alert during practice and competition. Fourth, playfield should be smooth and clean during training and competition. Fifth, sports equipment of good quality should be used in games and sports. Next, strain. Strain is also muscle injury. Strain causes tearing and overstretching of muscle fiber. In case of complete rupture, it is not possible to move that part of limb. There may be severe pain around the rupture. It happens mostly to the athlete during the practice or competitions, and it is common in basketball. Prevention. First one is players should be careful and alert during the training and competition. Second, specific knowledge according to the games. Third, stretching exercise should be included in warm-up. Fourth, players should discontinue to play during the state of fatigue. Fifth, play fields, courts should be smooth and clean. Next, sprain. It is a ligament injuries when ligaments are stretched or torn but not with force to dislocate the joints. Sprain is caused directly or indirectly by a fall or blow or knock, jump, slip, slide while walking or running. Generally, sprain occurs at wrist joint and ankle joint. Sometimes fractures is also possible along with a sprain. It is associated with pain and discoloration, swelling and tenderness. Prevention. First one is rules of the game sports must be followed. Second, all the sports equipment should be good quality. Third, wear protective equipment when playing. Fourth, maintain body weight. Okay, thanks to all.